Why do we cough?
Because visit a doctor.
What? Ooh, just listen.
2,000 years later. Coughing is a reflex action that your body uses to clear your airways of irritants, such as dust, mucus, or foreign particles. It's a protective mechanism triggered by the nervous system when the lining of the respiratory tract is irritated. Here are some common reasons for coughing. 1. Infections. Respiratory infections like colds, flu, or bronchitis can cause inflammation and irritation, leading to coughing. 2. Irritants. Smoke, strong smells, pollutants, or chemicals can irritate the respiratory tract, leading to coughing. 3. Allergies. Exposure to allergens like pollen, dust, or pet dander can trigger coughing in people with allergies. 4. Asthma causes the airways to narrow, making it harder to breathe and often resulting in coughing. 5. Acid reflux. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, can cause stomach acid to irritate the esophagus, which may lead to a cough. 6. Clearing mucus. When you have a buildup of mucus due to a cold or sinus infection, coughing helps clear it out of your airways. 7. Chronic conditions. Conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, cough, or chronic bronchitis often lead to a persistent cough. Coughing is usually a sign that something is irritating your respiratory system, and it serves to protect and clear your airways, thus making us coughing.